The gold price closed the week with corrective pressure after a firmer downside FOMC move. Now the investors' attention will be towards the US GBP, which might gauge the future price of gold USD. In the weekly chart, the gold USD price remains unclear, but the 20-week SMA is still above the current price. Moreover, the 1900 level is a very crucial area for this structure, and the current price is still above this level. The price is squeezing to the symmetrical triangle formation in the daily chart, while the current 20-day EMA is flat at the current level. Moreover, the most active level since the May 3rd high is working as a confluence level at the 20 EMA level, suggesting a consolidation. Based on the weekly outlook, a bearish recovery and a bullish reversal from the triangle support could be a long signal, targeting the 1947 level. On the other hand, a bearish D1 candle below the 1900 level could lower the price towards the 1880 level.